Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach or show you guys how to accept or reject JAMB admission. So I'll use this aspect and also say congratulations to those that get their admission. So to get your admission, to accept your admission, JAMB has made it easier, by which you can easily accept your admission in the same way you get your profile code and also check your result using the SMS. While you can also use the cap profile, you can use this method, which is more easier. So what you need to do here is, first of all, you went to your, the key requirement for you to do this is you have to make sure it is your registered SIM. What I mean by registered SIM is the SIM you use to register your JAMB, and the SIM used to register your JAMB, and that's the SIM key used to check your results. So if you don't have it, you lost it, you have to do welcome back. If you cannot do the welcome back, then you have to go to JAMB office, authorized JAMB office, not or JAMB center, anyone, not cafe are not allowed to do that this year. So you head over to your message app anyone use. So you tap on the start option for you to start a new chat. So you are sending a message to 55019, this number, which is the same number you use to check your result and accept and check your result, and also request for profile code. So this one was the last videos I did for you guys. So here we are again. So to accept your JAMB admission later, you firstly, this is how the format work. You type in your registration number, which you should have known. I think registration number is something like this. Example, let's say 2025 200G. I'm just typing a random number, J A. I think the registration number used to be something like this, your year and some other digit, then it end with a alphabet at the end. After all this, then you just give a space, just one space, and you type accept like this. So this is the format. Note the format. I did not go to second line. It was the accept, just one space between the registration number and the accept you are typing. So after this, you tap on send. You have to recharge. I think you'll be charged 15 naira, as you can see right here on my previous one. All their SMS, they charge 50 naira. So, and you will receive a message that your admission have been accepted successful, or if you decline, your admission have been declined successful for that. So let's say I'm now at tap on send, and I will get, yeah, you can see, then we will, yes, send. So I believe I was charged. So once you do like this, you should be expecting a message, but I'm not actually expecting anything, because I'm not expecting JAMB. I'm not expecting JAMB to send me a admission, or I've not received admission from JAMB. However, I do not apply. So that's it on how to accept your JAMB admission. So JAMB admission on your SMS using code. But I believe this is the easiest part to accept your JAMB admission later.